Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to use banana peels as a natural fertilizer. I know most of the time you always throw away banana peels and you always think that they are not significant in any way, but you can make use of them at home by just making a natural fertilizer from them. We know that currently fertilizer price is very high, and sometimes you may not be able to manage buying it, but for that case you can be able just to make a natural fertilizer from banana peels. So I'm chopping them in small pieces so that they can be able to fit in a bottle. Can be able to fit in a small bottle. According to research, banana peels are rich in nitrogen, and we know nitrogen is very, very significant for plants. They are also rich in phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium. So the next step you do is you add water into the container, and then you add the banana peels into that particular container. You may use the sizes you want. The one I'm using is just for demonstration. So after adding the banana peels, you close it with a lid and allow it to stay for some time for the process to be complete. After 4 days, you can now take the banana peels, shake the bottle very well, and then filter it so that you can be able to get the solution from the banana peels. So I'm filtering using a sieve. Finally the solution is ready. For use, and you can pour it on any plant. For this case I'm using a sunflower plant. So you just add it on the plant. You can also use it in hydroponic plants, and you can also just use in plants in the field. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.